Join me as I take on the challenge of traveling internationally like a pro, using only the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Traveling internationally can be overwhelming, from navigating airports to dealing with language barriers and cultural differences. I still remember my first time traveling abroad. I was so stressed about getting through customs and finding my gate on time. But with experience, I've learned to navigate these challenges with ease. The stress of traveling can be really high, especially if you're not prepared. You might end up lost in a foreign city with no phone signal or struggling to communicate with locals. That's why it's crucial to do your research and plan ahead. One of the biggest hurdles is language barriers. I've been in situations where I had to use hand gestures to communicate with locals, and it's not always easy, but with a little preparation, you can avoid these situations and make the most of your trip. Cultural differences can also be a challenge. What might be considered polite in one country might be considered rude in another. So, it's essential to learn about the local customs and traditions before you travel. We'll cover essential tips such as packing efficiently, understanding travel documents, and utilizing technology to enhance your journey. Packing can be a daunting task, especially if you're not sure what to bring. But with a few simple tips, you can pack like a pro and avoid checked baggage fees. When it comes to travel documents, it's crucial to understand what you need and how to get them. From visas to travel insurance, there's a lot to consider. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Technology can also be a game changer when it comes to travel. From translation apps to travel guides, there are so many tools that can make your journey smoother. The right apps and tools can really make a difference in your travel experience. I've used apps like Google Translate to communicate with locals, and travel guides like TripIt to stay organized. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other travel videos and leave a comment sharing your own travel experiences.